The 3-level ZZ Semafor indicator MT4 is a zigzag indicator that shows the values of 3 zigzags on the chart. The periods for each of the 3 zigzags vary. These are small, medium, and large dots. Instead of putting zigzag lines on the chart, this indicator draws dots at the zigzag places. The 3 levels of the indicator differ by the maximum and lowest values of 3 separate periods: short-term rapid, medium-term slow, and long-term slow. The dots vary in size and color, and they are numbered 1 to 3. The colors of the circles symbolize how you will trade and where the markets will move. The orange circle represents number 1, purple marks number 2, and the yellow circle illustrates number 3. You can also adjust the settings of the dots depending on the shorter or longer term strategy. This indicator generates buy and sell signals at dot 3. The other 2 dots mark short-term market momentum. While looking for trading signals, Forex traders should enter at dot 3. 3-level ZZ Semafor indicator buy/sell signals. The above pound sterling to US dollar daily chart shows the buy and sell signals for the indicator. As mentioned earlier, the most important point to remember is the appearance of the third dot. The third dot indicates buy and sell signals for the indicator. The indicator paints a dot 3 below the candlestick when the underlying trend is up, so it's a buy signal. On the other hand, you can open a sell position if the underlying trend is down and the indicator draws dot 3 on the top of the candlestick. How the 3-level ZZ Semafor indicator is useful. The indicator presents buy and sell signals through zigzag dots. The indicator doesn't plot lines, which can clutter the chart. Instead, it paints dots on the chart. The 3-level ZZ Semafor Forex indicator for MetaTrader 4 is a sort of zigzag indicator. It looks for high and low prices in the trend and then marks them with 1, short term, 2, medium term, or 3, long term. Number 3 is the most important semaphore level to keep an eye on. This indicator can't be used as a standalone. Instead, use it together with a trend following indicator such as an exponential moving average with period set at 75 or 100. Trade in the direction of the underlying trend. The default ZZ Semafor period settings, 5, 13, 34, can be changed from the indicator's inputs tab. Feel free to experiment with its settings. A strong sell signal is always characterized by the appearance of the AK-47 ball number 3 and the C2 squad. Red arrow. Also, you have to watch the 1-day high and the 5-day high. Once it around any of these highest points, then you are good to sell. Such setup have a very high probability of winning trades. Now, in determining your exit point, exit points are determined by the appearance of opposite AK-47 arrow or the next lower resistance/support level, that is either R2 or R1 or M1. M1 line signifies the midpoint between the pivot point. Buy entry and exit signal. A strong buy signal is always characterized by the appearance of the AK-47 ball number 3 and the C2 squad. Blue arrow. Also, you have to watch the 1-day low and the 5-day low. Once it around any of these lowest points, then you are good to buy. Such setup have a very high probability of winning trades. Now, in determining your exit point, exit points are determined by the appearance of opposite AK-47 arrow or the next lower resistance/support level, that is either R2 or R1 or M1. M1 line signifies the midpoint between the pivot point. The 3-level ZZ Semafor Expert Advisor for MT4 is a simple expert advisor for MT4 platform. It uses one technical indicator both for trade entry and exit. This custom indicator is widely known as Semafor. Like the zigzag indicator built in MT4, the Semafor marks swing points on the chart. For trade entry, the robot takes a buy trade if the Semafor gives a bullish signal and the opposite is true for a sell trade. If a trade is open while the Semafor gives an opposite signal, the trade is closed, but only if it is profitable. Running the trading system in the strategy tester shows that it is not yet suitable for live trading. A review of the program code is necessary to correct an obvious issue, that is, the lot size for trades that is bigger than normal. This issue is undoubtedly the main cause of the poor performance. If that is out of the way, testing the robot in various instruments for a good amount of time might show an entirely different result. The 3-level ZZ Semafor